Today I am going to discuss about the Unit 13 of Class 12, that is amines. The main objective of this topic is what are amines, what is the structure of amines, IUPAC nomenclature, preparations, properties, basic strength, distinguish and diazonium salts. Let us discuss some important compounds of amines. Benadryl, a well-known antihistamine drug, also contains a tertiary amino group and which is used for allergy relief. Novocaine is a synthetically created derivative of cocaine and is used as an anesthetic in minor surgeries. Cocaine, which contains tertiary amino group, and Novocaine contains both primary and tertiary amino group. Adrenaline hormone and epinephrine drug, both of which contains a secondary amino group, which are used for increasing a blood pressure. And also, morphine is a class of amino compounds which contains a tertiary amino group and which is also considered as a narcotic drug, means the habit forming drug. Amines. Organic compounds contain different functional groups. One of the functional group is amines. Amines are regarded as alkyl or aryl derivatives of ammonia, in which 1, 2, or all the three hydrogen atoms are replaced by the equivalent number of same or different alkyl or aryl groups. For example, consider a molecule of ammonia like NH3 in which there are three hydrogen atoms are there. So if all the three hydrogen atoms are replaced by alkyl groups like R or R dash or R double dash, then the molecule becomes an amine. Okay, so here the R dash and R double dash are alkyl or aryl groups, or all the three may be same or all the three may be different. Let us discuss definition of amines. Amines are organic derivatives of ammonia in which 1, 2 or all the three hydrogen atoms which are attached to nitrogen are replaced by the equivalent number of same or different alkyl or aryl groups. For example, CH3NH2 in which one hydrogen atom of ammonia is replaced by CH3, that is called as methylamine. In second example, one hydrogen atom of ammonia which is replaced by C6H5, that is called as benzenamine or aniline. In third example, two hydrogen atoms of ammonia which are replaced by two methyl groups, that is called as dimethylamine. Structure of amines. This is an example of tertiary amine in which nitrogen containing a lone pair of electrons or unshared electron pair. And also all the three hydrogen atoms are replaced by CH3 group, which is considered as a tertiary amine. In amines, nitrogen undergoes sp3 hybridization and amines have a pyramidal geometry. The most important thing is the bond angle is less than 109 degrees 28 minutes, which is because of lone pair bond pair repulsions. Since lone pair bond pair repulsions are much greater than bond pair repulsions, therefore bond angle decreases from 109 degrees 28 minutes to 107 degrees in primary and secondary amines and 109 degrees 28 minutes to 108 degrees in case of tertiary amines due to steric indolence. Amines occurs widely in living organisms. Many amines are naturally occurring compounds that are very active physiologically. Numerous drugs used for treatment of mental illness, fever, heart problems, and other physical disorders are amines. Types of amines. If an alkyl group is bonded to the nitrogen, those are called as alkyl amines. If an aryl group is bonded to the nitrogen, those are called as aryl amines. Classification of amines. An amine is an organic derivative of ammonia in which one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by alkyl or aryl groups. On the basis of this, amines are classified as primary, secondary and tertiary amines depending on how many carbon groups are connected to the nitrogen atom. Consider a molecule of ammonia in which nitrogen atom is connected by three hydrogen atoms. If one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by an alkyl or aryl group, then it is known as a primary amine. If two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two alkyl or aryl groups, then it is known as a secondary amine. If all the three hydrogen atoms are replaced by three alkyl groups or three aryl groups, then it is known as a tertiary amine. Classification of amines. Amines are mainly classified into three classes: primary amines, secondary amines, and tertiary amines. General formula is RNH2, RNHR and RNR and R double dash. Here R, R dash and R double dash may be same or different. For example, in primary amines, the nitrogen atom is directly connected by only one carbon atom. In secondary amines, the nitrogen atom is directly connected by two carbon atoms. In tertiary amines, the nitrogen atom is directly connected by three carbon atoms.